Hey everyone, I'm really excited to announce that I've added nutritional services to JenniferNicoleLee.com. If you want a customized and detailed and personalized nutritional program with your goals in mind, maybe you want to do fat loss while maintaining muscle tone, maybe you want a diet for stroke prevention, diabetes, gluten-free, vegan, flexitarian, pescatarian, carnivore, omnivore, whatever your goals are, I'm now partnered up with doctors and certified nutritionists and also licensed dietitians. It's really cool. You take a quiz at my website, your height, your weight, your goals, your age, and it actually creates a food plan for you. I'm really excited to launch that. You can go to JenniferNicoleLee.com and go under food plans and you'll see that service there. I'm really excited to help you achieve your nutritional goals. I believe in you.